Hi guys, thanks for watching again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cast a cast net. I know we all preparing for the herring spawn or the herring shoals that's coming in to the San Francisco Bay. Normally they come in after a big storm. Today's December 19th, week of December 19th. We have a bad storm that came in and it's still here, so hopefully this will be the beginning of the herring spawn coming into the San Francisco Bay. But thought I would show you guys how to cast a casting net. So this is my casting net. I believe this is about 5 feet, 5-footer or 4-footer, actually 4-footer casting net. So this is how you cast a net. Very simple. Just wanna fix your rope this way, could be any way. Okay, there you go. Grab a horn or the top, okay, and then about 1/3 down or waist level, grab it like this, okay. Then grab one of the lead, just make sure they're all not tangled. Grab one of the lead, give it to your index finger and your thumb, just hold on to that, and at the end just grab another lead and hold it with your other left hand, left thumb. When the weight is in forward like this, just bring it backward like that. And again, you want to hold your throwing, you want to hold the net on your throwing hand. Okay, so my right hand is my strong hand, so it's going to be my strong hand. And there it is. You don't have to cast high, you don't have to cast far, just enough for you to have an opening to catch those herring. So here it is. So you just want to keep practicing till you get a good circle, or it doesn't have to be perfect circle, but enough for you to catch a herring. So again, one more time. Okay, your ropes 1/3 of the way, grab your net. Okay, now grab one of the lead like this, give it to your thumb, hold it with your index or your index finger and your thumb like this. Grab another one, put the lead backward or the weight, and throw. There you go. Okay, again, fix your rope. Okay, grab the horn, waist level or 1/3 halfway, grab the net, grab another lead, put in your finger, thumb, and the index thumb. So then at the end, grab another lead and put the lead backward like this, okay, or the weight. Hold it with your other thumb. This is going to be the last one, but don't grab on it, just enough for you to just hold on to it. But once you cast, this will just let go. So it's like literally just very slight grip. Okay, now for give it a second to sink in and then pull. Another one, waist level, one weight, your thumb, another weight on your other thumb, and cast. You will get better. I promise you, about probably like 5 times, you will get better. Again, 1/3 of the way of the net, about waist height. Grab it, okay, grab one of the lead, put in your thumb and your index finger, and grab another one, this, over, and cast it. All right, secure it on your strong hand. Okay, gently fix your rope with your right hand. or your strong arm. Okay. Grab the horn or the top, but 1/3 down, waist height. Grab the net. Okay, with your strong arm again. Grab a weight. Make sure they're not tangled. Place it to your index finger and your thumb. You're gonna hold on to this weight with your strong arm. And at the end of the other weight, just grab one weight here and then bring the rest of the weight backward. Like this. For the time, 2 weights, move over. By the way, guys, what I like to do before herring season starts is I like to hang my cast net in the backyard, just like this. I hang it this way, so get all those wrinkle out of this net, just to get it ready. I know it's been storing on that storage container. You can see how it's all wrinkly, but I think it would help. Always hang your hang your cast net before you use them, probably overnight or so, just to retain and regain the. Alright, by the way, guys, I want to shout out to all those OG fishermen out there that could cast 6-footer or 8-footer cast net in a perfect circle. You guys got my respect. Shout out to my dad and my uncle Charlie, who I've seen throw a 6-footer or 8-footer in a perfect circle while growing up in the pier. So shout out to you guys. All right, strongly suggest you guys practice as much as you can before you head out there, especially if you're using a boat or if you're on a boat. Rather practice now than practicing over there, because it will be fast. Once you see the spawn, you no time for error or whatnot. So otherwise, but doesn't matter. It's fun to hunt the herring season, so if you haven't done so, please do so, and share and like or comment in my YouTube channel, and hopefully we'll get them this year.